The next question comes from Daniel, and I actually love this question about the favorite warm-ups and check-ins, especially, and I think that's something in 2022, which will come just a bigger issue, is when people are a bit exhausted, having Zoom fatigue. They've done it all. How can we still keep it fresh and interesting? And I'll put 2 minutes on the clock. I'll first tell you the place that I get inspired often to do games and fun little check-ins is YouTube, watching late night TV shows like, let's say, Jimmy Fallon. There's a British show called Taskmaster that has some really fun activities that don't really make a lot of sense. But it's watching things like these that I get inspired to come up with new activities. And the other thing that you could do, especially if it's a group that you work with on an ongoing basis, let's say it's a team and you meet every week, it can be really exhausting if you are the only person coming up with new ideas and trying to keep it fresh and interesting, and then getting everyone bought in. So I have one client of mine. She is a manager of several teams at a very large bank here in Canada. And I sent her a guide. I'll actually drop a link below this video as well, where I share some of my favorite activities that can take between 5 to 15 minutes at the start of a meeting. And after she's taken a few of those, she basically just handed the guide to the team and said, okay, we're going to alternate responsibilities to come up with one of those activities every week. And you can use this guide and take something from there. Or, sorry, my Google turned on. Okay, stop talking. Okay, hold on. We need to unplug this. This is costing my time. And then basically after taking the responsibility to the different team members, they would just run the activity. Like, they would get the guidelines. It has to be 10 minutes maximum. It should help people connect with each other. And it should be something that doesn't require a lot of setup. And if there is setup or any materials, please make sure that you organize them yourself. And now the team members are encouraged, and they feel they have a bit of freedom and trust from their manager to actually create something that is different and new every single time. I hope that helps.